welcome back to my channel. My name is Rucha and today's video is going to be the wardrobe essentials. What every girl must have in her wardrobe. So yeah, without any delay, let's get started. Okay, so starting with the first one, the first thing that a girl should always have in her wardrobe is a plain white shirt or any color shirt, but a plain shirt. So I have a plain white shirt here. This is a half sleeves shirt and this is very formal also to look, so you can wear it in any formal event also. And I got it for about, I don't remember the exact amount, but I got it for 600 around something. And the second shirt that I have is this one. This is a super comfy shirt for myself and I love this shirt because you can wear a shirt with literally anything in the world. You can wear it with a palazzo, you can wear it with a jeans, you can wear it with formals, you can wear it with skirt or shorts, whatever you want. So a shirt is must in your wardrobe. Okay, so moving on to the next one. The next thing that a girl should always have in her wardrobe is a palazzo. Because palazzo is very trending these days, so this is a must have in the wardrobe. And I think it makes you look very classy. You can wear it with any top and it will enhance your look. So I have this lined palazzo here. This is a half palazzo. It's not a full one. And this is a synthetic material. And I got it for around 400, I guess. Yeah, 400. So I have two more palazzos to show you guys. The first one is this. It's a beautiful printed and a wide leg palazzo. This has a Jaipuri print and it is a wide leg, so it looks like a skirt only. But this fabric is really nice. It is very thick and very comfortable fabric, so this is one of my favorites. And I got it from Amazon for 519. Yeah, so it's quite affordable. The next palazzo that I have is this one. It's a plain blue palazzo. I love this color and this goes with everything, even with traditional and also with the western. So this is also one of my favorites. This is also a wide leg palazzo and you can pair it with even a western top or a traditional kurti. Okay, so the next thing that you should have in your wardrobe should be a basic straight fit denim. Always choose a straight fit because I think it makes you look a bit grown up. So yeah, a straight fit denim should always be there in your wardrobe. This is my go-to and my basic denim that I have in a black color. I love black denim, so I always opt for black denims. And I got it from Lee Cooper about 2 years ago and I have been using this since last 2 years and it's really awesome. And I think I got it for 1290 rupees. Yeah, 1200. Now you can also have a printed denim like this. This also looks very classy and it's trendy these days to have a printed denim. You can wear it with any top. So it gives a little enhancement to your look. So yeah, printed denims are also recommended by me. So the next thing that you should have in your wardrobe is a basic t-shirt. Yes, a basic t-shirt is must in every girl's wardrobe. Because first and most important thing is it's very comfortable. Yes, it's very comfortable to wear, and it's your go-to outfit. It can be your go-to outfit. Like t-shirts are my go-to outfit. You can wear it anywhere. Like you don't find anything to wear or you are not able to decide what to wear, then a t-shirt is always there to save you. So yeah, a t-shirt should always be there in your wardrobe. So the t-shirt that I have here is this. I love this t-shirt color. It's really very awesome and it looks very fresh also. This is a v-neck t-shirt and I got it from a mall for about 399 rupees. Yeah, it's quite affordable. So the next thing that every girl should have in her wardrobe is a crop top. This is my personal suggestion because I love crop tops, but if you're not comfortable in crop tops, then it's totally up to you. But I think that crop tops are must in any girl's wardrobe. I have this beautiful crop top with me. I like this pattern of this crop top, so that's why. So yeah, it's kind of favorite, and this material is very soft and it's very comfortable to wear. My next current favorite top is this. Okay, I don't know how to show you guys this. This is a cross neck and these are off-shoulder sleeves. So yeah, this is my current favorite. It is very stylish and you can wear it even in any events or occasion, anywhere. So yeah, this is my favorite. And you can also have a crop top like this. It has a hood with it, and this this would be for the girls who are little tomboyish and who don't like to be very girly. So yeah, you can have this kind of crop top. It is very comfortable. First of all, this material is very soft and it's very comfortable to wear. You can pair it with the sneakers. So yeah, and it also gives you a very sporty look, not a very girly look. So yeah, you can opt for this crop top as well. The next thing that you should have always is a pair of boots. You can also replace it with sport shoes or sneakers if you are comfortable in it. Because I am comfortable in boots, so I will suggest boots. A pair of boots is must in your wardrobe. These pair of boots, and these are super comfortable for my feet since they don't have a lot of heels, so your feet doesn't hurt also. And I love this pattern of the boots, so yeah, and I got it for 800 rupees. The next thing that you should have in your wardrobe are ring earrings. Okay, I'm gonna show you. These are the earrings that you should always have in your wardrobe, because these earrings go with any western outfit. You can wear it with jeans top also, and you can wear it with one piece also. It does make you look very classy. You should always carry this everywhere. It gives an enhancement to your look. So yeah, these are must in every girl's wardrobe. Or you can also opt for any other contemporary earrings that you like, but I would suggest rings only, because you don't have to think a lot while buying these, because you know what you have to buy. So yeah. So that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, then give it a big fat thumbs up. Also, don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and let me know in the comment section if you like this video or not. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. The user ID is given right here. If you need the link, then the link is also in the description box. And don't forget, I post videos every Saturday, so stay tuned every Saturday for my new videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.